Connector concept, redefining future car designs. Connector concept has improved ideas about the future designs of cars, which act as a connecting link between transport and lifestyle. Ideas of autonomous driving systems have already come into play, which is integrated with modern concepts of connecting the vehicles in different manners. This connector concept has created room for taking furniture and apartment on wheels. Salient features of car designs. The models of self-driving cars are already available in circulation. The futuristic design of connector cars has a few beneficial factors. The first design includes the provision for including 2 individual removable chairs behind the wheel. This is a unique blend of furniture and vehicle, improving the transport of furniture to any place. Next design is the new generation of RV using the same design. The van can be fully associated with the connector car as the same place in which the removable chairs were connected. It can be transported with the autonomous driving system to any location. Designs for a truck to transport heavy loads seems another viable option. Automated driving carries a heavy load with ease in different directions. All associations or connections based on removable and replaceable designs are present behind the traveling seats of the vehicle. These connectors are just behind the seats of the car, which redefines the future designs where one type of vehicle can carry out multiple functions. The size is a smart design for 2, with better dynamics and further futuristic graphics. Sleek design and advanced graphics with more advanced processes of charging itself automatically. Therefore, the connector concept is definitely one ideal choice for the future of vehicular transport. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.